is Luke from Click4Assistance, and today I'll be demonstrating on how to configure the queuing functionality. The queuing feature will allow visitors to start a chat when operators exceed a set number of chats, instead of the button becoming unavailable. Queuing will only work if operators have been assigned a max number of chats that they can be allocated. This can be assigned against the user type within the My Account module. For example, in this case, if the agent has been allocated 3 chats, they will no longer receive any new chats, and when all agents are maxed out, the visitors will start to queue until an agent becomes available. To configure queuing for an experience, you will need to navigate to the Tools module on the left-hand side and click on Chat, as I have already. You will then need to click on the Settings button against the relevant experience. Once you scroll down, you will see the Activate Queuing checkbox, which will need to be ticked in order to activate queuing. Next is the queuing frequency, which is the amount of time between each queuing prompt that's sent, as you can see directly below. This is an automated system message that will usually notify the visitor of their current position in the queue. You can use the placeholder to populate the visitor's position in real time. We then have the max queue length, which is the maximum length that the queue will reach before the offline button is shown on your website. Lastly, we have the chat distribution system, which is basically the method in which chats are released from the queue. This can either be set to automatically allocate to users, or alert users without allocating so that they can take the chat manually. Once this is configured accordingly, you can click Save. Chats that are waiting in the queue will come through in the chat list with the following icon. This feature is useful for organising and dealing with a high volume of chats. We hope you found this video worthwhile. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly, and don't forget to view our many other useful tutorials. Thank you.